Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be short but sweet. It's going to be a little review, swatches, and a tutorial with this palette right here. So if you want to see what this palette's all about, then just keep watching. Okay, so this right here is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and yes, Juicy Jazz here on YouTube. She did a video on it using this like blue color right here, and it was gorgeous, and it just like drew me to it. Plus, e.l.f. is very affordable, and I've just loved e.l.f. a lot. So I'm going to give you guys an up close on this palette, show you swatches. I'm going to swatch every single one of these colors for you. I'm going to do it on my hands. You're not going to, actually, I'm probably going to swatch it on my leg because it might be just a little bit easier, and then obviously I'll turn the camera down and show you guys all of the swatches that way. And then stay tuned because I will be doing a very pretty like bluish brown look with this palette, and I do plan on doing some other tutorials with this palette as well. So if you guys have any requests, let me know, but let's jump right into the swatches. Alright, so here are the second shades in this palette, and this is where it starts. So the green and the purple are they're bright but pastel, but they come off a little bit lighter when you put it onto the skin, so you're gonna have to like pack on those colors. The white shade, the shimmer one, Sea Salt, in this palette is more like an eyeshadow topper, but it's really pretty. Alright, so this is the first top row right here of colors, and these are the more kind of warmer shades. These are just insane, guys. This palette is super creamy. I don't think I've found a drugstore palette that has this creamy of eyeshadows, so I think they did very good on this palette, and they blend amazing, and you really they're very pigmented as well, and these shimmers are just gorgeous. Alright, so here is the last palette, which I can say actually kind of blew my mind a little bit with, look at these, look at these swatches. This blue is calling my name for sure. That's like the perfect deep navy blue. This shimmer purple that has a shift of blue in it, and this black. I know it is always very hard to find a black that is actually pigmented, blends out really well, and it doesn't, you know, kind of crumble and things like that, you know. So if you've done makeup for a while, you know what I'm talking about, but this one is amazing. So I'm excited to like do a smoky eye look using like these two, or using these two together, or using these two doing a smoky eye. Like I said, if you guys ever have any requests, just let me know. Okay, opinions before we start the makeup tutorial. I highly recommend this palette. I don't think that I've actually been pretty excited for a new drugs, because to me, I look at this palette, I'm like, this is really fun, but it's kind of like a basic palette. Like, it's got all your colors though. You can do a very simple look with it, and then you could do a very bright look with it, and you can do a smoky eye with it. So maybe I'll do a video on that. Like, if you want to see a look, a video of me doing like 3 looks, 1 palette, I can totally do that. But I recommend this palette. I think it's a great palette, and yeah, I'll show you guys a tutorial now on this, and if you pick this up, let me know how you like it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye!
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn. bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all.
Alright, so here's the finished look. I did want to say that I am not the biggest fan of that Dose of Colors liquid glitter liner. It just did not go on well, as you can see, but I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you ever recreate my looks, definitely let me know. I would love to check that out. Thanks for watching, and see you guys.